Hello everyone, I'm Laurel and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make this beautiful ring holder, and it's really easy to make and a lot of fun, so let's get started. The supplies you're going to need are UV resin. You'll need, some kind of tool with a point. You'll need tweezers. You'll need just a brush. This is a makeup brush, and some pink mica powder or color of your choice. Now this makes one of those ring holders. So, oops, that's the mold we're using. And then I have an assortment of pink flowers that I'll be using. There's all kinds in here. And you'll also need a pair of scissors to clip your flowers. All right, so let's begin. So move everything aside. So I need the mica powder first. And what I want to do is just get some on my brush and just paint some areas of the mold. I don't want it like all over the mold. And I hope, because this is so pale, this will work. But I don't know. And I just kind of want it to go up the sides a little bit. Not fully. And then I'm just going to tap the rest out. And it's got some color here, which I don't want. So I'm just going to take a baby wipe and just wipe that section off. Okay. But it is in there still, so that's good. And then the mold actually comes, you're filling the mold to about here. So what I want to do is get some of that pink down in here, and then you'll see what I do after we fill it up. Okay, so we just open this up and then just rub some of the pink in there. And it is working. It's just getting like the little edges of it, and that's all I want. I don't want pink all over. I just want the edges of it to be pink. Well, it's a very messy project. And if you'd like, you can bring the pink up the side if you want, but since we're putting some flowers in there, I mean, it probably will get up the sides a little bit, and I do see it that it is doing that. I'm going to see if this is going to turn out the way I planned it to be. It's easier to use this like on a flatter mold if you're adding color. Okay, seems to be working just fine. Didn't get any mica powder there. Okay, I think I went all the way around. Now I'm just making sure I get into those little grooves. All right, and then get any excess out. I don't know if I can. Okay, it did a little bit. All right, close that up. I got mica powder all over me. So just get the handy dandy baby wipe. Wipe yourself off. Wipe up any mica powder that got anywhere. The brush you can just clean off with soap and water and then just let it air dry. Okay, I just wanted to get that section cleaned off because I want that clear. Basically want it to look like glass. So, okay. Let's see if that's dry yet. It's not quite dry, so I'll need just a bit of paper towel. Make sure I dry that off really good. Okay. Now, I was going to, let me see, I think I have some left in here that I can use up. So I'm just going to pour it into the mold. There's a little hair there. You got to be careful when you're doing this. So I think I have a little left in here, so I'm going to start pouring this out and finish up this bottle. I actually have more in there than I thought I did. Now there are bubbles in there. I'm going to try to use the lighter and see if that helps. If it doesn't, then I don't know. I was going to try maybe the hot air gun underneath, but I'm scared like if you pick it up it might leak all over the place. All right, so this bottle is done with, so we can dispose of that. I gotta wipe my fingers off. All right, now I see bubbles all over the place and I have not even finished filling this, so let's see. And no, they're not removing, so I'm gonna wipe my hands off really good because they're really sticky. Like I said, I always try to keep my area clean, but you should wear gloves because sometimes, like today, I got some resin on my fingers. All right, we're gonna see if this works. I got my hot air gun and I'm just gonna turn it, I'm just gonna turn it on and hold it underneath and see if the bubbles rise. Alright, so I see that some of the bubbles rose up to the top, but they're not popping, and I don't know any other way that I can get them out, so we'll just have to work with this. They still may rise. I'm just, you know. Uh-oh, I see. I don't know what that's from. That little hair is back. I don't know what it's from. That's not my hair color, so. Just a teeny tiny color, like a, oh, maybe it's my cat's hair. It's always that. Okay, so this is filling up. It's actually going over the sides and into this area here. I can see it. That's pretty cool. Now, all right, I'm just going to stop for a second because it looks like it's not. Oh, okay. I just got to move it around a little bit. All right, so it's not all the way up to the top yet. So, all right. That's clear. I don't know why inside there is not clear, but I'm going to work with, I think, these flowers, this color pink. I'm trying to see what other colors I have in there. I like this pink. It's real pale. So I'm just going to clip them off. I'm trying to find relatively flat ones so I can stick them in there. I don't know if I actually want to put anything else in there. I mean, you could put some, let's see, well, really you could put glitter in there, or some mica, can't even talk today. Micro beads, you could put those in there just to add a little something. I just want some just basic little flowers in there. Nothing too fancy. And these are kind of bent, so I'm going to see if I can fold them back up. There I go. This one's kind of folded too. Okay, so about maybe 5 or 6 I can get in there. So let's see. All right, so I'm going to open it up and just slide it in. Now it might fold over to the top, well, not to the top, but that's actually the bottom. So it might fold over to there, but that's absolutely fine. Now I'm trying to space them pretty good. Might need a couple more. Like so. And then I'll clip off just, a couple more flowers. And then we can get them in there. I think 2 should be good. I can find another one that's kind of flat. There's one. And then slip them in. Okay, so you flatten this out a little bit. Okay, this one in. Okay, I think I can get one more. And then we'll just slip that one in. Now you may have to move them around a little bit. It's kind of hard to see. I just want to move this over a little. All right. And then we'll add some more to fill it up to the top now. Okay, so this is a higher mold, and I don't think my light will completely go over this. So what I may do is just hold it over so it just hovers over the top. I think I got it filled all the way. It looks like it. Just cleaning my utensils off. I got a little flower over here. All right, and then use the lighter for bubbles. Okay, now it looks like it's completely filled. Move everything aside. I got some resin here. I did accidentally spill some here. Let me just get that off. I gotta be careful so I don't mess that up. And this flower keeps wanting to come back out, so we gotta push it back down and then just get it cleaned off as best as possible for now. And take your light and hold it over, I would say probably about 5 to 6 minutes on the top and then 5 to 6 minutes on the bottom. So once we're done with that, I'll come back and show you when I take it out of the mold. Okay, now that this is cured, we can remove it from the mold. Oops. Oh my gosh, look how gorgeous this is. It took up that pink mica powder pigment beautifully. In the center, it's beautiful. You can see just a hint of the flowers. You can see some of the petals on the bottom. This is just absolutely gorgeous. So what do you think? You know, comment below if you think I did a good job on this. I think it's really pretty, and since my room has a lot of pink in it, I'll probably keep this for myself. I don't think I'll give it away as a gift. So if you liked my video, please press the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and press that bell for notifications of my next videos. Also, in the description box below, you will find links to my jewelry, my artwork, and my photography. And I'm also on social media. So thank you again for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.